In this video, I will show you how to connect your Instagram account and Facebook account. So let's begin the video process. When we open the Instagram app, we land on the Instagram feed page. We need to enter our profile page by clicking the profile icon in the bottom of the screen. Next, we need to click the hamburger menu in the top right of the screen. And again, from this menu we need to select Settings and Privacy tab. Next, we need to enter this Account Center section. And here, click the Profiles tab. We need to click Add Accounts to add our Facebook account. And from here, we need to select the Facebook account tab again. You can see we have both the Instagram and Facebook account to connect with same account center. But if we want to connect a different Facebook account to associate with Instagram, we can click this Not You button and log into Facebook to connect. My Facebook is already added, so I will go back and continue connecting the Instagram and Facebook account. And finally in this screen we need to click Finish Adding to connect both the accounts. And done connecting, we can click back icon to confirm both the accounts connected. Here it is, both the account profiles connected. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.